Hello again. My name is Cord Sankstay. I'm a design engineer here at Sheldon Manufacturing, and today I'm introducing the SCO58 CO2 Dry Incubator, a high-performance solution designed to meet the most rigorous demands of life science researchers, biotech professionals, and clinical laboratories. In the world of scientific research, precision, reliability, and contamination control are non-negotiable, making this product ideal for your needs. Now, let's take a look inside the unit. The first thing that you will notice is a large tempered glass viewing window. This allows you to take a look inside and monitor samples without actually opening up your unit. The sturdy door construction, coupled with door gasket and powerful air circulation, provide excellent temperature stability, uniformity, and control to each of the 6 provided shelves. On the top of the unit, you have an accessory power outlet. This allows you to power any auxiliary devices you want to have inside the chamber while it is running. On the left side, you have a 1 3/4 inch access port that is located here. Additionally, on the bottom is our door track feature. This allows you to roll carts full of samples in and out of the chamber with ease. Last, the chamber has been constructed out of corrosion-resistant materials to help increase the longevity of your unit. Now, let's take a look at some of the features on the left face of the unit. In the upper left corner, we have our main power inlet. Each unit comes included with a compatible power cord that must be connected to a properly grounded electrical outlet. For information related to electrical safety, as well as installation instructions, such as clearances, please visit your user manual. To the right of the main power inlet are 2 externally located fuse drawers for easy fuse replacement. On this side, as we previously mentioned, is a 1 3/4 inch access port. Moving over to the upper right corner, you'll first notice the CO2 in port. This is your gas supply of CO2. To the right of that is the CO2 sample port. This allows you to calibrate and monitor CO2 levels inside the chamber. Located above, we have our various data logging functions. We have 3 analog data logging ports, one for CO2 level, the other for temperature, and finally for alarms. Last, we have a USB digital data logging port that combines these 3 features into one. Once you've connected your unit to a properly grounded outlet, it is ready to be powered on. After a moment, the control panel becomes available. The first display is the temperature display. This digital display allows the user to both monitor, adjust, and calibrate temperature set point within the chamber. Similarly, the digital CO2 display allows the user to monitor, adjust, and calibrate CO2 levels inside the chamber as they see fit. Last, we have an over-temperature limiter. This is a mechanical safety device to help prevent overheating of your unit. SHEL LAB's large capacity 58 cubic foot CO2 dry incubator is designed for long-lasting reliability, minimal maintenance, and superior contamination control, making it a top choice for biotech, pharmaceutical, and clinical applications. Invest in precision, invest in reliability, invest in the SCO58.